Chegg is becoming obsolete. AI tools now solve homework faster, cheaper, and better. Here's what's actually replacing it. Chegg charges $15.20 monthly for homework help. AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and specialized platforms do the same job free or cheaper. Students, creators, and freelancers are ditching subscriptions for AI. Chegg stock reflects this reality. Demand is collapsing as AI democratizes knowledge access. ChatGPT free tier solves math, essays, coding. Claude, better reasoning for complex problems. Wolfram Alpha, instant calculations and formulas. Perplexity AI, verified answers with sources. For tutoring, Julius.ai handles homework step by step. Each Chegg charges $15.20 monthly for hemshagging and speed and accuracy, with zero subscription friction. Paste your problem into ChatGPT or Claude. Use Wolfram Alpha for math verification. Cross-reference with Perplexity for credibility. Stack multiple tools, use one for brainstorming, another for verification. This beats Chegg's limited expert network every time. AI isn't just replacing Chegg, it's reshaping education and freelance work. If you're a creator or freelancer, learn these tools now. They boost productivity, cut costs, and give competitive advantage. The future belongs to people who leverage AI, not those waiting for traditional platforms to adapt. Subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns that save you time and money. Drop a comment, which Chegg alternative will you try first?